Hey, let me show you how you can quickly and easily install the Google camera on your Realme 12 5G. So, first of all, I will highly recommend you to get this application from the Google Play Store, the GCam. It's actually from the Gran Turismo developer. So, when you download this application on your phone, you can just open it. If you have here any pop-up notifications, just accept all of them and you will start from this screen. So you will find information that the Camera 2 API model is enabled on our device. But unfortunately, there's like no official files that will allows us to actually download it. But let me show you how we can actually do this. So you have to click here and then input a Realme phrase. And then we've got actually two options from the Realme 10 Pro and from the Realme 10. But when you take a look on the GCam version on the Realme 10, we can find 8.7, and on the 10 Pro we've got 8.4. So I will actually recommend you to get this new version 8.7 and simply click here to start download. So right here you will find this downloading process, and after it will be finished, just let me just close it because I already downloaded. You will have to navigate into your files, then you will have to go into the APK files, and here you will find your APK file. In the most cases it will be probably in the not installed right here, but when I just install it, it will be actually moved right here. So you have to just click on it, then you will get this unknown application. You will have to click in the settings and install and enable installation from the unknown apps, then just repeat. And now we just have to click to install this application. And after this, when you open your app drawer, you will be able to find the Google camera on your Realme 10, and you will be able to find all of these features, including, for example, the photosphere and all of this settings and post-processing from the Google. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.